everybody, this is Mike from Landon Custom Classics. Just got home and I'm going to unload some hay with the old backhoe. Make sure the buckets are up here. Deere on the other side of here, so I don't push the bales off the trailer. Real easy to push a bundle over and then you get a mess. Then I gotta clean them all up by hand. This way the tractor does all the work. Pretty easy for an experienced operator to do this. For most people, the days of throwing hay bales by hand is come and gone. I've done a lot of it, but this sure is so much easier. The issue I have is this place is a little tight, so sometimes I gotta turn around a couple times to get her right. Most heavy equipment's a lot easier to operate than you think. Guy I know, he can barely drive a car and he can drive a backhoe. Well, that's about all there is to it, so we'll let y'all go and catch you next time. Have a good night.